Furnishing apartments in Germany. Scenario 1. Mark Studio. Mark has his keys, electricity, and internet sorted, and he is ready to move in. On the first day, he opens the door and flips the switch. The ceiling light, bought cheaply from the previous tenant, works perfectly. The room is bright, but it's empty, and every step he takes echoes through the apartment. That echo is his first real taste of living in a bare German apartment. Luckily, Mark already chose an apartment with a fitted kitchen, so he avoided the headache of buying a whole new kitchen. The kitchen has a stove, small oven, fridge with a freezer, and all the cabinets. The missing essentials: a microwave, kettle, and toaster. He skips a coffee machine and a dining table. The space is too small. Then there's everyday kitchenware: cups, bowls, plates, glasses, forks, knives, spoons, a couple of pots and pans, a cutting board, and small other tools. Because he is tight on his budget, he heads to budget friendly stores like Axion, Teddy, or Woolworth for the small stuffs and checks eBay Kleinanzeigen for used good conditional kitchen appliances like microwave, kettle, toaster around his surroundings. Next, the bathroom. The essentials are already there, and luckily, his building has a shared laundry room, so no washing machine is needed. He picks up cleaning supplies, toilet paper, kitchen towels, hand soap, and shower items from DM and Roseman, all in one trip. Now for the main room, which serves as bedroom, living room, and study. Mark keeps it simple. He checks for used mattresses, bed, wardrobe, and desk with a chair, which could be picked up with other appliances. Luckily, he finds options and arranges the pickup on a Saturday. Knowing he will need to dismantle them, he asks a friend to help. He also makes sure that he had an essential toolbox picked up from Axion, Teddy, or Woolworth, where most of the essential handy tools and equipments are available at reasonable cost. For transport, they skip an expensive delivery service and rent a van for a couple of hours from Sixt, Miles, or Europacar, around 15 to 25 euros per hour. Even after treating his friend to pizza, it's much cheaper than delivery. Mark also gets two curtains from the previous tenant, but had to check for curtain rails and drawer cabinet for small items and extra clothes from Amazon. With the wardrobe, desk, chair, bed, and mattresses on the way, curtain rails ordered, and drawers coming soon, Mark's studio is fully furnished with all the essentials, efficiently, affordably, and ready for him to settle in and focus on his studies. Scenario 2. Maximilian and Julia. For Maximilian and Julia, things were different. They loved the location and space of their two-room apartment, so they signed the lease, even though it didn't have a kitchen and no ceiling lights, just bare walls. They decided to furnish everything from scratch. But with so many items to buy, they categorized everything carefully to know which stores to focus on. Their first priority was lighting. They planned to tackle it on day one. They knew the best stores for ceiling lights, lamps, and other electrical items were Bauhaus, Globus, Baumarkt, OBI, Hornbach, Saturn, and Media Market. Next, the kitchen. They considered second-hand options, but that would have required dismantling, transporting, and reinstalling the kitchen themselves, something neither had time for. Instead, they opted for a brand new kitchen with delivery and optional installation service included. Delivery could take weeks, so planning ahead was essential. They checked IKEA, Triplex Lutz, Poco, and Globus Baumarkt. IKEA's custom kitchens could reach 10,000 euros, so they went with a mid-range kitchen from Globus Baumarkt for around 1,250 euros. It fits the space, matched their style, and included the main appliances: stove, oven, and refrigerator. They plan to add a dishwasher later. For smaller appliances, microwave, kettle, toaster, air fryer, washing machine, dishwasher, and even a TV, they headed to Saturn, MediaMarkt, and the electronic sections of Baumarkt. Small items were transported themselves while larger appliances were delivered. For furniture, they made a detailed list. Kitchen, dining table for 4, bedroom, double bed with mattress, 2 bedside cabinets, 4-door wardrobe with mirror, small makeup table with drawers. Living room, large sofa, small coffee or dining table, TV cabinet, shelves for photos, antiques, and a small carpet. Bathroom, small cabinet, shower shelves, laundry basket, and space for cleaning and hygiene items. They shopped both online, like from Amazon and Otto, and in person like in shops from IKEA, Home24 and Triplex Clothes. Wardrobes and small cabinets online, sofa and mattress in person to test comfort. Delivery services were used where needed, and sometimes they rented a van to transport items themselves. For small essentials, they gathered cutlery, plates, bowls, glasses, wine glasses, cooking utensils, cleaning supplies, tissue, hand soap, and other hygiene items. Finally, they prepared tools, drills, screws, wall plugs, and other hardware for curtain rails, ceiling lights, and appliances. Baumarket like Bauhaus, OBI, and Hornbach were perfect for buying tools. For larger equipment, they could rent it by the hour or day. So, you might have observed the names of a few shops mentioned in these scenarios. It is just two different examples of how different people with different constraints go about furnishing their homes. There are many budget friendly options and many high end options. The choice depends on the user's priority. Online shopping with Amazon is widespreadly used here for many purposes. But in addition to that, there are few shops in your surrounding that can make your life a bit easier. For instance, cleaning and droggery items are more affordable in shops like DM, Muller, and Rossmann, where you can get almost anything in this category. MediaMarkt and Saturn are two major chains of electronic appliance shops. Teddy, Woolworth, Axion are cost-effective all-round shops which contain appliances to handy toolkits. eBay Kleinanzeigen is also very widely popular for second-hand goods, which is the most budget-friendly way of furnishing. Baumarket like Bauhaus, OBI, and Hornbach are also very clearly popular for tools and handiwork related items.